Guys, again welcome back to my channel Indian Bro Code. So today we will learn some of the basic problem of SQL. So in this video I use this zero analyst community. So I solve this particular problem in this table. So this is the data set for creating a table. So I just copy this data set from this zero analyst community and pasted in this my PG admin tool. So I replace these cells with S and run this command. So I successfully created the table, and after creating the table, what I need to do, I have to insert the values in that particular table. So I copied all these values and pasted over here. So I just replace this S cells with S, and after that I just run this command. So I clearly see that I inserted all the data in the table. So I need to check the data is inserted or not. So select star from S, and after that close with semicolon and run this command. So guys, we can clearly see that the data is successfully inserted in the table. So when we come back to the zero analyst community, so we will find what exactly the question or business problem which they have, which we need to find out. So in this table we need to calculate the cumulative sales for each product across all time period. Cumulative means what do actually, if you don't know about cumulative, so I will explain you. Like, let me explain you what is cumulative means. Suppose in this date, that is sale date 2000, that is the sale date which we have 2024 110. So in this date the sales amount is this 50,000, but on the next day, like on 15th, it's a 70,000, on the 20th it's 80,000, on the Feb month it's a 60,000. So what we need to do, we need to sum of it. So from this date is 50,000, but on this date the cumulative sum is this 50,000 plus 70,000, that is 12,000. So the cumulative sum for this particular date will be 12,000. And when we're talking about this 20, so it will be 12,000 plus 80,000, so it will become 20,000. So cumulative sum for this particular sale date will be 20,000, and same process we repeat for this this date also. So we will add 60,000 in that 20,000, so it will be 26,000. So cumulative sums means previous sum plus the current sum will comprises of a cumulative sum. Let me explain you with the chat GPT what exactly cumulative sum. Cumulative, let me explain you the what is cumulative. Suppose like this is the cumulative thing. I just use the chat GPT for the same to calculate the cumulative total. Example, cumulative sales or cumulative quantity for orders in the last 30 days. You can use SQL in window function. So in this query we will try to use window function for the same. So let me see how can we do that. So yeah, so this is the table which we have. We need to use the window function in the same. So I will take some reference through with this chat GPT. So sum total over order by order date as cumulative total. Okay, got it. So we will use this. So what we need to do, like suppose we need to copy the question which we have or a business problem which we have, then we will solve the query. So where we need to copy, we need to copy this question. So what is the question? Calculate the cumulative sales for each product which we have. This is the product which we have, all the time period. So what we need to do, select product ID, comma, product ID, order date, customer name, product ID, sale date, comma, sale amount, and star comma. What we need to use window function. So for using window function we will use this. Sum of total amount. In the place of total amount we will use sales amount. Over order by order date as cumulative total. Order date. Okay, order date, in the place of order date we will use sale date. Yes. From where? From S. And we need to use the group by function as well. No, we don't need to use group by. So simply use this command and try to solve the problem if solved or not. Sales amount. This is sales amount. So guys, like I explained you all the things clearly in the beginning of the video, that we need to find out the cumulative. So this is the cumulative total for this particular table. So guys, this is how it is I solve the problem. Let me explain you what exactly the problem once again. Firstly, I just copy the data. First I created the table, and after that I inserted the data in the particular table, and after that I select all these values with this command, that is select star from S. So I got all the values. So this is the values which I have, and after that what I need to do in the question, calculate the cumulative sales for each product across all the time period. So I need to use this command, select product ID. We have product ID, sale date, sale amount, and sum of sale amount over order by sale date. Means we need to order by things on the sale date. Means from the beginning we use 2024 110 10 January 2024. This is the 50,000, and when we talk about 15 Jan, it was 70,000. So we need to use the cumulative sum for the same. So 50,000 plus 70,000, it will become 12,000. So when we run this query, so you will clearly see the data in this particular table in the next next column, cumulative total 50,000, 12,000, 20,000 and 26,000. So guys, this is how I solve this problem. And guys, let me know if you find any difficulty while solving this problem in the comment box. And thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel Indian Bro Code, and have a great